Let me guess, you're stuck, scrolling for hours, watching others flex designer clothes, dream vacations, while you're begging your parents for gas money. You feel like a failure, like you'll never catch up. But here's the harsh truth. It's not your fault. The game's rigged. Schools teach algebra, not wealth. Parents say get a job, but minimum wage won't buy your freedom. Worse, AI is coming for normal jobs. Gig apps pay pennies. But what if I told you the real money isn't in resumes? It's in secrets they don't want you to share. Meet Jake, a 16-year-old who wants to make extra cash but feels stuck with no experience. He wants cool sneakers to hang out with friends and maybe even start saving, but his wallet is always empty. Then he stumbled upon a game-changing idea, and everything changed. It's way cooler than you think. By the time you finish this video, you'll know how to turn your phone, your hobbies, and even your haters into cold, hard cash. But warning, once you see these secrets, you can't unsee them. Method number 1, freelancing, graphic design, video editing, writing. Ever thought about making money from your skills? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let teens earn by designing logos, editing videos, or even writing blog posts. All you need is a laptop, basic skills, and a portfolio to get started. Sites like Canva can help you create stunning designs even if you're a beginner. If you enjoy writing, start with simple blog posts or product descriptions. Actionable tip: pick a skill, create a free Fiverr or Upwork account, and start offering your services today. But what if you're not artistic? Don't worry, there's an even easier way. Method number 2, content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. If you spend hours scrolling, why not turn that into cash? Platforms like YouTube and TikTok pay creators for views through ad revenue. You don't need expensive equipment. Your phone is enough. Start by picking a niche like gaming, fashion, or productivity and stay consistent. Actionable tip: post at least 3 times a week. Engage with your audience and use trending sounds to increase visibility. Jake posted daily, hit 10K followers, and landed his first brand deal, $100 for a simple post. Method number 3, online tutoring. Are you great at math or another subject? Websites like Wyzant and Preply let teens tutor younger students for $15 to $30 per hour. If you excel in school, why not help others while making money? You can tutor in subjects like English, coding, or even SAT prep. Online tutoring allows you to work from home and set your own schedule. Actionable tip: sign up on a tutoring platform, create a professional profile, and offer a free trial session to attract your first students. Jake, surprised, realizes he can make money teaching basic algebra online. But maybe you don't want to talk to people. Here's a silent moneymaker instead. Method number 4, print on demand and selling digital products. Imagine making money while you sleep. Print-on-demand sites like Redbubble let you upload designs that sell on t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases with zero upfront costs. If you enjoy drawing or graphic design, upload your artwork to sites like Redbubble or Teespring. Even if you're not artistic, you can use free design tools like Canva to create text-based designs. Actionable tip: research trending niches. Create simple designs, and upload them consistently to maximize sales. Jake tests Redbubble, sells his first hoodie, and gets a $15 payout. Method number 5, reselling and flipping items. If you got stuff lying around, you've got cash waiting. Apps like eBay, Depop, and Facebook Marketplace let teens flip sneakers, vintage clothes, or gadgets for quick profits. Start by selling things you no longer need, like old phones, clothes, or gaming consoles. Once you get the hang of it, look for underpriced items at thrift stores or garage sales and resell them for profit. Actionable tip. Take high-quality photos, write detailed descriptions, and price items competitively to attract buyers faster. Jake flips an old pair of sneakers for $60 profit. Method number 6. Gaming and streaming. Love gaming? Platforms like Twitch and YouTube gaming let you earn from playing and streaming. If you enjoy playing video games, streaming can turn your hobby into income. Start with free streaming software like OBS Studio and engage with your audience through chat. Actionable tip. Stream consistently, interact with viewers, and explore monetization options like donations and sponsorships. Jake goes live for the first time, gains followers, and earns his first $5 in donations. Method number 7. Affiliate marketing. No product, no problem. You can promote other brands and get paid commissions for every sale. Affiliate programs like Amazon Associates let you earn a percentage of sales from links you share. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube videos. Actionable tip. Find trending products, share your honest reviews, and place your affiliate links in your bio or descriptions. Jake shares an Amazon affiliate link and makes $20 overnight. Method number 8. Pet sitting and babysitting. Old school but still golden. Apps like Rover let teens make money watching pets, while babysitting gigs can pay up to $20 per hour. If you love animals or kids, this is a great way to earn money while having fun. Start by offering services to neighbors, then expand using online platforms. Actionable tip. Create a flyer or a social media post advertising your services and ask happy clients for referrals. Method number 9. Car washing and detailing. Jake and his friends started a weekend car wash, made $150 in one afternoon. With just some soap, sponges, and a little effort, you can start a car washing business in your neighborhood. Offer premium detailing services to increase earnings. Actionable tip. Print flyers. Offer a discount for first-time customers and always deliver great service to get repeat clients. Method number 10. Testing websites and taking surveys. Yes, you can get paid to browse the internet. Sites like User Testing pay $10 per test just for sharing your thoughts on websites. Companies need real people to test their websites and apps. It's an easy gig that requires no experience. Just follow instructions and record your feedback. Actionable tip. Sign up for multiple platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, and Respondent to maximize opportunities. And finally, here's the secret most people overlook: digital real estate. By building niche blogs or local business websites, teens can generate steady revenue through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or lead generation. Jake sets up a simple blog, optimizes it with SEO, and starts earning passive income from ads. So which side hustle will you try first? Comment below and let's talk. And if this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Tag a friend who's still mowing lawns for cash. Remember, in 2025, I'm just a kid isn't an excuse. It's your superpower. See you in the next video.